Have you ever been voluntold to do a presentation? Well, I'm here to help you make your presentation a little less boring and a little more engaging. My name is Miss Ryan, excuse me, and I am going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a web link to an image in Google Slides. So first, what we're going to do, I have right here my Google Slides that I've opened up, and how you can get to that is you can just go to Google and type in Google Drive. I actually have mine right here, My Drive. You can type in Google Drive and it'll pull it up right there. I'm just going to go to My Google Drive. Slowly but surely, and then you go to New, and then there's your Google Slides. I've already started one, so we're going to close that, and we're going to come right over here. So I have a title, Adding a Website Link to an Image Using Google Slides. This is the part 2 video. In the part 1 video, I have how to add an image to your Google Slides. So if you need to go back and watch the first video, that's fine. If not, and you've already added your image, or you already know how to, and you're just wondering how to do that, just continue watching. So here I just have my title slide, Adding a Website Link to an Image Using Google Slides. You can go here, right in this little section, and add another slide. You want to make sure that whenever you're creating your presentation that you have your title and of course your name on it as the creator for presentation purposes, and I'm sure all of my teacher friends will appreciate this. I have as if this were your presentation, so I put down ELAR and math websites to use with students in the classroom. What I did was I went ahead and typed up some websites that students can use, that parents can use with their student, with their child, or if you're, depending on how you're doing this presentation, if you're giving it to your peers, or if you're showing parents how to use this with their children. So what you'll do, obviously, you'll go in and type up the website links. You'll just type them up right here. And then, like I said in the video 1 that we did last week, I showed you how to add an image right here. So I have my website that I actually typed out, and then I added my image, and I did that for each one. These images actually came off of these websites, and they have a link to them. You need to also add your resources whenever you're doing a presentation, so that's in here as well. So for this, we have our image that we added, and I've already added the link. I'm going to show you how to do that again. So what you'll do is I'm going to delete this right here. Oops, well, that shows you that it works. I'm going to click off of that. I'm going to open up a new tab. What you're going to want to do is open a new tab in your browser, like so. And since you already have your website typed out, you're going to go ahead and just type it in again. Oh, there it is, because I've done this before, education.com. And once you get to that link and it pops up and it is the correct website, you're going to want to highlight the whole entire link, right click, go down and hit click copy. Then you're going to go back to your tab that you're working on in Google Slides. You're going to click your image, make sure that it does highlight in blue, that you have the blue box around it. Then you're going to come over here to insert. You're going to click insert and then come down here where it says link. So you're going to click link. Mine already has that attached. I'm going to delete it just so you can see. So whenever you do this, this is what it will look like. Then what you're going to do is make sure that this link box is popped up, that your cursor is ready to go. You're going to right click your mouse and click paste. and then click Apply. Once you do that, you can click off of there and click back and see that there's your link to that website from that image. You can go into present mode if you would like, just to double check that. And if you click that, see how it automatically just takes you to the website education.com. This is a great way for you to share with parents websites you use in your classroom, apps that you would like to maybe for them to use at home with their students. Then they can have access to that resource and automatically click on it, know that they're going to the right website, and use that website with their child. I'm going to close out this website. So you have successfully now added a website link or a web link to your image. For ABC Mouse, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to click on your image, and you can see that I've already done that, and it automatically pops up and takes you to that website. I'm going to exit present mode. So right here, you can click on that. Same thing again, you can open up a new tab. ABC Mouse is the website you want to type in. ABC Mouse. This is where you want to make sure that it's going to pop up the right website before you copy and paste. You're going to copy that whole website. It's going to be highlighted in blue. Right click your mouse, come down to copy, then you're going to go back to your tab. Make sure that your image is lit up in the blue lined box. And then you're going to come right over here to insert, click, come down to link, click that one. And as you can see, I already have my ABC Mouse. I'm going to go ahead and delete that so you can see one more time that you're just going to right click in there, make sure your cursor is in the right place, hit paste, there's your website, and then click apply. So now you have successfully added a web link to your graphic. Now that you've added a website link to your graphics, you can go through your whole presentation and add web links to other graphics. For instance, if you could even add it to your actual text. You can do the same thing to your text, insert and link. That way, if they wanted to, they could see the actual website typed out and then be able to click on it. For this tutorial, I wanted to show you how to add a web link to an image. I want to thank everyone for watching. I appreciate your time. Make sure to check out the first video for the tutorial if you need to know how to add an image to a Google slide. And I hope everyone enjoys your presentations that you do in the future. Thank you so much.